The Chrysler 300 is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American automotive ingenuity, luxury, and bold design. Since its debut in 2004, the Chrysler 300 has captured the attention of drivers and enthusiasts alike, offering a unique blend of performance, sophistication, and affordability. It stands as a testament to Chrysler's ability to innovate and adapt, while staying true to its roots as a brand that values craftsmanship and style. The Chrysler 300 is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of power, elegance, and individuality. One of the most striking features of the Chrysler 300 is its design. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the car exudes a sense of presence and authority. Its bold, muscular stance is complemented by a sleek, aerodynamic profile that commands attention on the road. The signature grille, with its distinctive crosshair design, is instantly recognizable and gives the car a sense of identity. The wide, sculpted hood and the long, sweeping lines of the body create a sense of motion, even when the car is standing still. The Chrysler 300 is a car that doesn't just blend into the background, it stands out, making a bold statement wherever it goes. But the Chrysler 300 is not just about looks, it's about performance as well. Under the hood, the car offers a range of powerful engine options that deliver the kind of performance you'd expect from a luxury sedan. The standard V6 engine provides plenty of power for everyday driving, while the available V8 engine takes things to the next level, offering exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the Chrysler 300 delivers a smooth, responsive ride that is both comfortable and engaging. The car's suspension system is tuned to strike the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, ensuring that every drive is a pleasure. Inside, the Chrysler 300 continues to impress. The cabin is a masterclass in luxury and refinement, with high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail. Soft touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and real wood or metal accents create an atmosphere of sophistication and elegance. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort and support, whether you're on a short commute or a long road trip. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with intuitive controls and a user-friendly infotainment system that keeps you connected and entertained on the go. The Chrysler 300 is a car that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it makes the journey itself an experience to savor. One of the things that sets the Chrysler 300 apart from its competitors is its commitment to technology. The car is packed with advanced features that enhance both safety and convenience. The available Uconnect infotainment system is one of the best in the business, offering a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and a host of apps and services to keep you connected. The available Harman Kardon audio system delivers crystal clear sound, turning every drive into a concert-like experience. On the safety front, the Chrysler 300 comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. These features not only make driving easier and more enjoyable but also help keep you and your passengers safe on the road. The Chrysler 300 is also a car that offers incredible value for money. While it competes with luxury sedans that often come with much higher price tags, the Chrysler 300 delivers a similar level of performance, comfort, and style at a fraction of the cost. This makes it an attractive option for buyers who want a premium driving experience without breaking the bank. The car's reputation for reliability and durability also means that it holds its value well over time, making it a smart investment for anyone in the market for a luxury sedan. But perhaps the most compelling thing about the Chrysler 300 is the way it makes you feel. Driving a Chrysler 300 is more than just getting from one place to another, it's about the experience. It's about the thrill of pressing down on the accelerator and feeling the power of the engine as it propels you forward. It's about the sense of pride and accomplishment that comes with owning a car that turns heads wherever you go. It's about the comfort and luxury that make every drive feel like a special occasion. The Chrysler 300 is a car that doesn't just meet your needs, it exceeds your expectations. Over the years, the Chrysler 300 has evolved and improved, but it has always stayed true to its core values. It remains a car that is bold, powerful, and unapologetically American. It's a car that appeals to a wide range of drivers, from young professionals looking for a stylish and affordable luxury sedan to families who want a comfortable and safe vehicle for their daily commute. It's a car that has earned its place in the pantheon of American automotive icons, alongside names like the Ford Mustang, the Chevrolet Corvette, and the Jeep Wrangler. In a world where cars are increasingly becoming homogenized and predictable, the Chrysler 300 stands out as a refreshing alternative. It's a car that dares to be different, that refuses to conform to the status quo. It's a car that celebrates individuality and self-expression, that encourages you to embrace your unique style and personality. The Chrysler 300 is not just a car, it's a lifestyle. It's a statement of who you are and what you value. It's a reminder that life is too short to drive boring cars. In conclusion, the Chrysler 300 is a car that embodies the best of American automotive design and engineering. It's a car that combines bold styling, powerful performance, and luxurious comfort in a way that few others can match. It's a car that offers incredible value for money, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. And perhaps most importantly, it's a car that makes you feel special every time you get behind the wheel. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Chrysler brand or someone who's just discovering it for the first time, the Chrysler 300 is a car that deserves your attention. It's a car that proves that luxury and performance don't have to come with a sky-high price tag. It's a car that reminds us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. The Chrysler 300 is more than just a car, it's an experience, a statement, and a legacy. And it's a legacy that continues to inspire and impress, year after year.